Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the maintenance service intervals of Opel Insignia B with diesel engines. Mine is with B20 DTH engine. First, oil and oil filter. Initially it was 30,000 kilometers or 1 year. Now Opel say that it is 15,000 kilometers or 1 year, whichever happens first. The other filters, air filter, cabin filter and fuel filter, replace the first two filters with the oil. So when you change the oil, change the air and the cabin filter. The fuel filter on every 30,000 kilometers or 2 years. Next, camshaft chain. This is very important. 100,000 kilometers. I've changed mine after 130,000 kilometers and it was too late, so 100, maximum 110,000 kilometers. Timing belt and water pump, 90,000 kilometers. Someone say that after the first change, the next changes should be after 60 to 70,000 kilometers. I'm not sure about that, but you should know that between 70,000 and 90,000 you should change the timing belt and the water pump. Automatic transmission oil, first change on 90,000 kilometers and after that every 60,000 kilometers. So the second change will be on 150 and so on. Brake pads, 55 to 60,000 kilometers. It really depends of your driving style and if you're driving more on a highway or in the city. Brake fluid every 2 years. I've changed my brake fluid after 5.5 years. You should decide when to change your brake fluid. Opel say every 2 years. And finally the coolant every 5 years. I've changed the coolant with the brake fluid after 5.5 years. Okay, that's it. If you want to see more Insignia videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.